Let us understand the step-by-step process of making purchase order amendment in Strategic ERP. The PO amendment process includes two main types. The first one is adding multiple PR to an existing PO, and second is amending an existing PO, which allows you to change rates, modify quantities, short close the PO, or cancel the PO. Let's start with the amendment process for an existing PO. Here we will create a new PR and link it to an existing PO. In the request for quotation form under the purchase module, select the process type as Amend PO. Select the relevant Amend PO number. The system will auto-fetch the supplier name based on the selected PO. You can view and edit the item details from the quotation registration entries. Click on the Edit button to update details such as basic rate, tax code, HSN code, discount amount, freight charges and other charges. Click on Update Data and then Save. Your data will be saved automatically. Once the entry is approved through the workflow, the details will automatically get updated in the existing PO. After completing this step, you can proceed with the GRN process directly based on the existing PO. For the second process of amending the PO, go to the PO amendment form in the purchase module and select the entry type. If you select PO amendment, an amendment number will be auto-generated for every PO created in the system. In the cancellation type, an amendment number will not be generated for a new PO. Under cancellation, you can short close the overall quantity for a particular PO. Enter the GRN closing quantity to match the approved quantity, and the PO will automatically be short closed. Once approved, your data will be automatically updated in the existing PO. For PO amendment type, you can short close certain parts of the PO quantities. Enter the relevant numbers to balance the quantities in the GRN closing quantity field. If the revised rate needs to be updated, in case due to rate changes in PO at a local level, set the GRN closing quantity to 0. Update the revised rate based on the current rate. Once updated, the system will automatically apply the revised rate to the balance quantity. The amount for the GRN received quantity will be saved as per the current rate. If an overall balance is present, the revised rate amount will be applied to the approved quantity. For unbilled quantity GRN, the bill generated will reflect the GRN received quantity instead of the approved quantity. To book the revised rate option, order form creating APO, then generating a GRN and finally creating a purchase bill for that GRN should be followed. Your purchase order amendment process is now complete.